Kim Kardashian West broke her Twitter silence post-baby to announce that she and Kanye will be donating 1,000 pairs of shoes to charity. Today's episode of Clevver Newsfeed is brought to you by Go90. Download now to get primetime shows, live music, sports, and the best of the web. The holiday season is the best. People get generous, happy, and fat, but in this case, mostly just generous. Kim hadn't tweeted in a while because, she was giving birth to another human, but she returned early this morning while she was breastfeeding with some very heartwarming news. Kim tweeted, "I'm up breastfeeding and watching the show Dish Nation. I heard the cutest story of a girl who is trying to find 1,000 pairs of shoes to donate to this charity, Souls for Souls. They helped her during Hurricane Katrina. I think I know the designer of the Shoe of the Year award. FYI, it was Kanye, so cute joke, Kim." She continued by saying, "Kanye and I would love to donate those 1,000 shoes to Souls for Souls. I've been looking online to find this little girl so we can let her know the shoes are on their way, but can't seem to find her. So whoever you are, these shoes are for you. We will contact Souls for Souls. You reached your goal. So proud of you, XOXOX. Can you help me find the girl who is trying to get 1,000 pairs of shoes by Christmas at Dish Nation at Souls for Souls? Kanye and I would love to donate." Isn't that sweet? Good for you, Kimye. But is anyone else seeing a trend developing with celebrities summoning their fans to helping them find people? This isn't SVU. First Justin with his Instagram girl, and now Kim. Someone call Hillary Duff because this is some Cinderella story shiz. How about calling all Clevver fans to help me find my sanity? Cool. Well, what do you guys think of Kim and Kanye's generous donation? Sound off in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe, and then you can click right over here to check out Kylie Jenner's style evolution on Dirty Laundry. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm Ryland Adams, and I'll see you next time. Click to the left to get in the holiday spirit with the best holiday albums edition of Debatable, or click to the right to see some vegan foods tasted for the very first time on Cheat Day. And before you go, thanks again to Go90 for sponsoring this episode. Click the link to watch, cut, and share all the awesome.